On behalf of the Child Nutrition and Wellness Department, I would like to welcome you to a new school year. We're so excited to see your student in the cafeteria and have a few quick tips to help you prepare for the first day of school. The Child Nutrition Department page on CreightonSchools.org will have our contact information in addition to detailed information and resources on meal prices and lunch applications, including application instructions, as well as nutrition standards and special dietary accommodations. Our student lunch account portal is Link Connect. You can access this by visiting linkconnect.com or downloading the Link Connect app, available for your iPhone in the App Store or on Google Play. We recommend creating an account so that you can see the status of your student's application and add money to their lunch account. To create an account, click on Sign Up Today. Once you are logged in, you will need to link each student to your account. To do this, click on the plus icon. Select Student and enter Creighton School District. Then enter the student's last name, first name, and date of birth. If you have trouble linking your student, please contact our office. Once your student is linked, you can submit an application for free or reduced price meals. You can also add money to your student's account for lunch or snacks if available at their school. Our menus, nutrition information, and allergens are also available in this portal. Simply enter the amount of money that you would like to add to their account, click on Add to Cart, and then check out. Stay current by following us on Facebook at Creighton Child Nutrition. And lastly, we are here to help, so if you have any questions, please give us a call.